Hello, my YouTubers out there. This is your cameraman, Daniel Drepsky, for today's update for this another day of the construction field. And today's date, January 7th, 2023, and right now it's about 9:53 in the morning. And I caught it by accident when I was working on the computer, and I don't think they're chopping down any trees or something like that. A little earlier, they had like two trucks, the big truck over there, and also the small white truck with the pole hangings, something like that. They're probably gone now. I think they're just doing like the rest of this crap. Yep. I like to say do some more taping, but I'm only gonna do just one, and maybe I'll do the other one later before I leave. Always good to let you know with the things going on in Pennsylvania. And in the today's high of the weather might be about 42, 43. What's better than very cold in the frigid weather that we had 2 weeks ago around like Christmas time. That was bad. Look at this, they're dumping all the crap over there. I didn't expect them to be there on a Saturday. I thought they don't work on the weekends. Let's hope that they don't even work tomorrow. This is the longest run that I ever taped of the construction videos. First, I did it in 2021 when they chopped down some trees back in March, and then March of last year they did like a little they did like a little construction, like fading the ground. Then they did another one around August. They chopped down more trees. Then around like Halloween they did some more construction with the grounds, just like they do it right now. And they're actually still doing it. There's the old man supervising shit. Excuse me with the language. Just I hate this. Seeing this land go because they want to build like that stupid garage, put some gold carts in there. In the future, that sucks. I got nowhere to go to have fun. Look at that, it's still continuing. It's a good thing it's a good thing I just caught this. Let's see if this works. Well, there you have it, folks. More construction on the 7th day of January, and I'll see you later for more updates, like when they're doing or something like that. Comment, subscribe, to ring the bell if you like any of the other previous videos. Commented then. Goodbye, folks. Later.